This video will demonstrate the proper procedure to replace the camshaft sensor on 1995 through 2003 Chrysler vehicles with 2.0 and 2.4 liter engines. Due to the harsh environment this sensor is constantly subjected to, it is common for it to fail when the engine mileage is near 100,000. Because of the mileage on this vehicle, the camshaft sensor is being replaced as a preventive measure before it is sold. When this sensor does fail, the symptoms include a check engine light illumination, a P0340 trouble code, and no start conditions. This sensor is located at the rear of the cylinder head. As you can see, several hoses and wiring looms obstruct our view. Relocation of these items may be necessary to gain access for removal. Be sure to allow the engine to cool before replacing the sensor. We will first remove the battery and battery temperature sensor. This will allow easy access to the cam sensor mounting bolts. To release the connector lock, slide the red tab to the side. Press the connector tab, pull downward, and the connector will now release. This sensor contains 4 mounting bolts. A 10mm socket is required to remove them. After removing the mounting bolts, a slight tap on the sensor may be needed to remove it from the cylinder head. With the old sensor removed, examine the face. It is normal to see wear marks in this area. This sensor also serves as the thrust plate for the camshaft. The camshaft may need to be pushed back until it is flush with the cylinder head before installing the new sensor. In some cases, a slight tap with a soft blow hammer may be in order to return the camshaft to the correct position. Set the O-ring seal into the channel on the face side of the sensor. Gently work the seal into the channel. Only a slight amount of the seal should be seen when it is correctly installed. Mount the new Wells sensor into position, making sure the bolts are tightened properly. Insert the connector while listening for the tab to click, indicating it has latched. Then slide the red connector lock back into position. Reposition all hoses and wiring looms. Reinstall the battery and temperature sensor. Then inspect the service area for any leftover tools. Verify your work by starting the engine. The check engine light may need to be reset with a code reader or a scan tool.